Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about a very important topic: why some people are not making it and they are blaming it on their religion. So if you are interested to know why, to know the secret, keep watching this video. Okay guys, a lot of people have asked me this question: why are they still Christians or Muslim or their religion, and still they are not making it, still they are very poor, they are not buying houses, they are not buying cars and all. And they will still ask me, so look at that my friend, look at John, look at James, he don't go to church, he's not a Christian, he's not a Muslim, he don't believe in God, he don't believe in anything. But you see, they have houses, they have cars, they have whatever they want, mansions, everything, but they don't go to church. They don't even know when it is Sunday. But look at me here, I go to church every day, I go to all night, I go to mosque, depending on their religion. And they will ask me, I'm still poor, nothing is happening. Why? So, here is the reason. Everything God created was made to function with law. Everything that was created was made to function by law. It was created to function by law. So let me give you a quick example. Cars were meant to function with petrol. So if you bring out your car outside in the morning and you attempt starting it without putting petrol inside, if you like, fast for 30 days, pray for 100 years, if you don't put petrol in that car, it's not going to start. That is the law. That is how it works. Another example, fishes were made to swim in the river. Fishes never leave river. They stay in the river. They are very wise because that is where their life depends on. That is the law. They stay in the river. They never leave river. So is everything that God made. And one thing about law is that you can't destroy law. Law destroys you. So let's take another example, the law of gravity. The law of gravity states that anything that goes up must surely come down. So if you went on a 10-story building and try to jump down, you try to jump down to deviate the law of gravity, to disobey the law of gravity, gravity will do its job. That is how it works. So don't ever think that grace came to cancel law. Grace did not come to cancel law. This one now goes to most Christians, because there are always a saying that they always say we are living under the grace and not under the law. But if you also read your Bible very well, the book of Romans, you will still understand, or you will read where Apostle Paul was saying, shall we continue in sin that grace will abound? And if you read on to the next chapter, he said, God forbid. So as a Christian, don't ever think that grace came to cancel law. All the countries you see today that are doing very well, if you check it very well, you will see that their citizens are abiding to their law. They are obeying the laws of the country. That is how it works. That is how it goes. Once you obey the law, you are free. That is the secret. And also, law is made to protect a product. Each product you buy, there is always a law. There is there to protect it. You must always see the menu and everything. That is what the manufacturer put in as a law to protect the product. That is how it is in everything that is made. So it goes directly also to prosperity, to riches, to wealth, to building mansion and all. If you are a Christian and you go to church and pray 1,000 years for you to build house, it's not going to work. God is not going to release money from above. So that is why he put law in everything he created. So prosperity is made to function by law. So if you are not applying the law of prosperity, if you are not applying the law of success and all, if you like, be you a prophet, be you a reverend, be you a pope, you are still going to remain poor. So it is very simple. Just apply the law of prosperity, apply the law of success, apply the law of breakthrough. And you don't have to pray, you don't have to fast, you don't have to even do anything. Just apply the law and you will see yourself progressing. You will see yourself making it big. Stop blaming your pastors, stop blaming your church, your mosque, your Muslim and all. Just apply the law, and that is all you need to do. So I hope you like this video, and I hope this video is going to help you. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.